Hello students, my name is Gopal Charan Sahu, your maths teacher from St. Teresa School. Today I am going to teach more detail about differentiation. Okay, your chapter is differentiation. Let us start. What is differentiation? How to find out the derivative of each function? What is function? Let us see one by one. Suppose y is a function of x. Y is a function of x. This x is called independent variable. Independent variable. And what is y? Y is called dependent variable. Dependent variable. Now, delta x and delta y, delta x and delta y be the small increment in x and y respectively. Therefore, y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x. This is the equation number 2. Just to focus on equation number 1 here. Y is equal to f of x. To take it, this is equation number 1. Let's see here. Y is a function of x. X is called independent variable and y is called dependent variable. Whenever delta x is increment in x, therefore delta y also is increment. Delta y is a small increment in x and y respectively. Then this function is converted to y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x. Now you do one thing, equation 2 minus equation 1. Just to see how this comes. Now, equation 2 minus equation 1. It will be like this. If I subtract, what will become? Delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Yes or no? Just to see one time again. Now, dividing delta x both sides. Dividing delta x both sides. What I have done? Dividing delta x. I have divided delta x both numerator, both sides, both left hand side as well as right hand side. Now taking limit delta x tends to 0. Delta y by delta x. This will be limit delta x tends to 0. F of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. See, taking limit both sides. Now, this is nothing but dy by dx. This is the derivative of y with respect to x, which is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x whole divided by delta x. Instead of delta x, you can write h also. Means you can write, therefore, dy by dx. This is called derivative by first principle. You can, I am writing h tend to 0. Instead of delta x, I am writing your h tend to 0. You can write also x plus x minus f of x divided by, what I write here, x. Instead of delta x, I can write here x. Some books they are writing x, some books they are writing delta x. Some books they are writing also like this also. This is also delta x. You can write this also, or you can write it. The तीनों का meaning same है. These are called small increment. That is called increment. Okay. I am writing here. Either some book they are writing delta x, in some book they are writing delta x, and in some book delta x. Is only x. This is nothing but derivative of y with respect to x. So what is the final answer? Therefore you have to see. Therefore dy by dx is called first order derivative. It's called first order derivative. First order derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, derivative of y with respect to x denoted by dy by dx. This is nothing but first order derivative. Are you clear? What I have taken here, you have to see revise from the beginning. I have taken y is a function of x. Y depends on x. X is independent variable. Y is dependent variable. We are taking delta x and delta y with a small increment in x and y respectively. Therefore, this function is converted to y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x. Now, I am doing here, you have to see here, equation 2 minus equation 1. If I subtract, I will get what? Delta y. This is coming, dividing delta x both sides. Then taking limit delta x tend to 0. Now this will become, this is the statement, this is nothing but dy by dx. Therefore, what is the final conclusion? Dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tend to 0 f means function f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. Therefore, dy by dx you can write instead of delta x I can write here x. This is called derivative by first principle. Derivative by, right here, derivative by first principle. Let us go next one. Let's to see. I hope you are able to understand the process of deriving the derivative of y with respect to x by the help of first principle. Okay. Now I am giving some important formula required for the derivation. Okay. Let's to see. Formula number 1. Suppose y is equal to x to the power n. N is any number. Then derivative of y is equal to dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x. The answer will be, just writing the answer, a into x to the power n minus 1. This is the first formula. Number 2. Suppose y is a function e to the power x, like exponential function. What is it? This is called exponential function. Okay? Then in this case, dy by dx will be same thing. The answer is same. Derivative of y with respect to x is equal to derivative of e to the power x equal to same thing. The answer is same. Just have to memorize. Number 3. Suppose y is equal to log x. Y is equal to log x. Logarithm base e. In this case, dy by dx answer is 1 by. Answer is 1 by. See one thing here you see. See, next I am writing y is equal to a to the power x. A means any number. A means any number. Therefore, derivative of y with respect to dy by dx is equal to transferring a to the power x log a. Okay? Log a. What is the derivative of a to the power x? That will be a to the power x into log a. If it is given height to the power x, then it will be height to the power x log height. See number 5. Number 5, suppose y is equal to sin x, trigonometrical function. Then dy by dx, which is equal to dy by dx of sin x. The answer is 4x. Okay. Number 6, y is equal to tan x. Therefore, dy by dx will be how much? Tan x derivative of tan x is 6 square. Okay. Number 7, if y is equal to cos x, what is the derivative? Dy by dx is equal to, the answer is minus sin x. Next you see number 8. Number 8 I am writing here. Number 8, suppose y is equal to cosec x. What is the derivative of cosec x? Dy by dx will be, answer is minus cosec x into cot x. You have to memorize all these formulas that I am writing here for your sum. To solve the any derivative, you have to memorize the main formula. Then y is equal to sec x. What is the derivative of sec x? The answer is sec x into tan x. Number 10, y is equal to, that is cot x. The derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Okay. How many formula written here? Total 10 formula written. Out of 10, from number 5, I have written trigonometrical function. Sin x is a trigonometrical function. Sin x का derivative cos x, tan x का derivative sec square x, cos x का derivative minus sin x, and cosec का derivative minus cosec x cot x, sec x का derivative sec x to tan x, and cot x derivative minus cosec x. All these formula you have to memorize. Okay, let us go next. Hello students, how you are feeling? Though hot season today, but you are doing some for your benefit of coming annual exam, class 12. See the question number 1, it is given x to the power y into y to the power x is equal to 5. It is given. See the question. If it is function to the power function into function to the power function given equal to something whatever may be, how to solve this question, that you have to decide. If the question is like this, what is the question that you have to complete? Let's see. If the question is like this, you have to write taking log both sides. Taking log means logarithm. Taking log both sides. If I take log both sides, what I will get? Then this will be converted to y log x. Y log x into means this will be converted to plus, then this will be x log y, and this side will be log 5. Taking log both sides, then this will be power will come here as per the logarithm properties. Y log x, in case of multiplication, it will be converted to plus property of logarithm, if I have logarithm, it will be omitted. Just focus only on derivative. Taking log both sides, the function converted to y log x plus x log y is equal to log 5. Now differentiating both sides. You write the statement here. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So what is the result we will get here? d by dx of y into log x plus d by dx of x into log y. This side also same thing, d by dx of log 5. Now you see, as for the property of product rule, means y into derivative of log x. What is that? 1 by x plus sign log x into derivative of y, that is dy by dx. Here also same thing. X into first function into derivative of second. What is that? 1 by y dy by dx. Now I plus sign log y into derivative of x. What is that? 1, which is equal to, this is equal to now 0. Because derivative of any constant number is equal to 0. From this part, here you have to take dy by dx common from here and from here. If I take dy by dx common, remaining part you take transfer this one y by x and log y you take that side. Just to see here. If I take dy by dx common, what is the result it will be? The result will be log x plus x by y is equal to minus, because both will be minus there, this will be y by x plus log y. I have taken minus common from both. Now what is your target? To find dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x. Now this part will be divided that side. This will be y by x plus log y whole divided by log x plus x by y. Now therefore dy by dx minus, if I take LCM, this will be y plus x log y plus log x log y. Yes or no? And downside will be y log x plus x. Just to see, this y will go off, this will be y here, and this x after taking LCM, this x will come down, means like this. And this is the answer of the given function. Though question is looking difficult, but actually not difficult. Just to see again, focus here. X to the power y into y, x to the power y into y to the power x. Equal to 5, taking log both sides as per the logarithm property. If you have not memorized, just I'm writing the formula for you. Log m to the power n. What is that answer? That will be n log m. The power will come front. This will be n log. This is our property that I write here. Okay, you can differentiate both sides. You know, as for the product rule, first function into second function derivative log x is how much? 1 by plus sign second function into derivative of y, that is dy by dx. Same process here, x into derivative of log y, as it is given y, therefore write 1 by y into dy by dx equal plus log y into derivative of x derivative how much? 1. After taking dy by dx common and transferring this part and that part to that side, this should be how much? If I take dy by dx common, log x plus x by x. That I have written here. Just to see there, log x plus x plus y equal to, I have taken all that two things that side, minus taken common, next I have divided. This is the final result of number 1. Just see next one.